Hi everyone, so we're gonna open my mama's Shopee! Mama's Shopee! Papa's Shopee.
Papa and Mamas.
Papa
Pero
and
sabi ni Papa, let's open this.
Hindi. Pwede ako na. Ballerina
Careful.
Cappuccino.
This is from
Papa.
Papa.
One lang pala. Ako na.
This is what we need right
Akin na lang yung
now.
box. Akin na lang yung box.
Okay. Rotating tripod! Rotating box.
Tapos kaya ko ba?
Hey, let's unbox this later. Pero for the meantime, ay hindi na.
Hi,
We unbox
guys.
it na and then we use it na. Kasi
I'm
tingnan mo,
Shea.
nakastand yung cellphone natin from somewhere else.
Three. Ako na. What's your name? I have a dream.
What's your dream?
Pipi. Ay.
So let us unbox before we leave for today because Pop! Ayan, see? Kailangan talaga namin ng regalo ni Papa Hermie.
Hawakan ko muna.
Okay.
Hindi ko muna
Oh, this
hawakin. Dito muna ako sa gilid.
We're not gonna have a problem later na because Papa gave us a tripod.
Siya parang ako. Siya
Okay. There's a manual.
Bye. Guys, hinahawakan ko yung ano ni Mama.
How to use the desktop mode.
I'm Papa
And then the
Ballerina Cappuccino. Akin na lang box. Ay, buti naman.
So we already have a tripod. Next unboxing. Wow! It's for the iPod. Look at the iPod.
iPad ko. Bakit?
The green. At tapos ito yung stand niya sa likod. Look at the iPad.
Sabi mo ang tambay.
Baka nagreklamo si Papa. Hindi kami yung ginagamit ko iPad mo eh.
Kami naman.
Yeah, yan. Tapos, he can stand it like this.
Grabe ka kay Papa, bininan ka na.
Cute kaya, Papa.
Mama!
May nagsaside comment, oh. Oh, get the iPad eh. Ayan. Oh, while she's getting the iPad, let's get the other one. Ang galing, may stand na tayo. Oh, may tripod na. Actually, we had a lot of tripods na before. Meron pa nga yung may stand, may ring light. Yung ginagamit namin ng online class. So, yun nila. This is our shampoo and bath na. Mura ko lang siya nabili kasi
Ay, Mama!
flash sale, flash deal.
Iwan ko yung sabon ko.
Hindi This is only 159 pesos. Dalawa na siya. Is it to charge?
Opo, 100 na. Tumignan ko.
Oh, nice.
Wow, ganda. Dali na.
And last unboxing. Ay, parang alam ko na to kasi mabigat.
Ano?
Fresh milk?
Ito.
I think so. It's a fresh milk nga. It's super sealed. Ganito, kaya sa ano na ako bumibili kasi I don't have to carry
Mama,
it.
yung
So
parang
bigat.
ganito.
Yung naka-box. Tapos, naka-sale din to. Nag-ano siya. Using the coins from Lazada. I bought this, I think,
Well, yung ano ko, sabon today.
175. Dalawa na. So, magkano yun? Ano to? Yung mga may payday sale. Mga payday sale purchases natin in Lazada and Shopee. Syempre, number one, yung gift ni Papa. I'm using it right now. And then, I have the iPod casing. And then, the bath soap, 158 or 159. And this is 175. Dalawa na siya. Babay ka na.
Bye-bye, guys!